ahead. I was going to say.
Okay. I was going to say we have a super chat for fishing, and Stuart wanted to get your 2 cents on this. He writes, I can see the new 160 LXS Angler having an IDF-like function and or closed-loop cooling to compete with Fish Pro. What are your thoughts on that?
Well, that's a complete redesign, right? I mean,
it is.
Yeah,
I mean, look,
I've had a bit of a journey with IDF, and for those who aren't familiar, IDF is Sea-Doo's industry-leading patented debris removal system. So you press a button on the dash, it actually walks you through the functions really easy. It takes about 30 seconds start to finish. You press one button, you follow the prompts, and it blasts out or flushes out whatever debris was in your pump. Now, they did have some problems at the start. They had some hardware issues. They've actually had 2 running changes since then. And so I've gone from being a bit of a hater to thinking, actually, this is a competitive advantage now. I really like it. I've used it several times on demo skis and my own ski, and it hasn't given me a worry. That said, the last time I got it serviced, a very experienced Sea-Doo mechanic did say to me, hey, you know what? Yeah, we've had a couple of redos on this, but maybe leave that button alone. And sure enough, the next week, I did a really long-distance 7-day ocean ride, and one guy's IDF system conked out on him. I had to tow him 78 kilometers. What's that in miles? 50 miles, give or take.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah, my fuel bill was pretty big for that day. So,
yeah,
down on IDF altogether, but there is definitely some caution required. And I really only would use it in an emergency now. I haven't touched it since my last service and since that technician said, hey, maybe leave that button alone for a little while. But I hope Sea-Doo gets it right because it's great technology. The idea is fantastic.
Okay. So what iteration of IBR are we on? 4? We're on the 4th.
IDF or IBR?
IBR.
IBR. So the brakes. Yeah.
We're on the 4th version of that.
Yeah, correct.
And I mean, I hate to say it, but like the first 5 years of a major technology like that,
yeah,
there's some teething.
Yeah.
And I think IDF is a good start, but we're a long way from its final version.
I hope so, because if they can get that bulletproof, it is genius technology. It really is.
I agree. Yeah. Now, this is I got another inside baseball thing, but ages ago, I want to say it was 2011. I had an engineer from BRP. He didn't talk about IDF, but he talked to me about a 2-speed transmission with a reverse.
Uh-huh.
And I was like, okay, you've got my attention. And he says, this has been something long-term that we have been planning on, is a high and low transmission with a reverse.
Wow.
And I am no longer in contact with that individual, but there was a little bit that was hinted to me that IDF is the fetal version of that transmission.
Right. So you think there's something more coming?
I do.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. Okay. I think we're years away from it.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I was told they have been working on a high and low transmission for a long time.
Okay.
So, wow. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.